Hello everyone, today we're reviewing the trading to 12 ISA, a tax-free investment account available in the UK. I'll explain the key benefits, the drawbacks, and whether it's a good choice for beginners or experienced investors. So what is good about this ISA trading? Firstly, we have tax-free investing. So gains, dividends, and interest inside an ISA are completely tax-free. Also low cost, trading to 12 charges no commission on stocks or ETFs, even inside the ISA. Also, it's easy to use. You can manage your ISA alongside your standard trading to 12 account on the same app or web platform. Then auto invest and PICE support, schedule recurring investments or use PICE for diversified portfolios. And also simple interface, good for people who want to start small and build over time. And now limitations and things to watch. Non-UK residents cannot open a trading to 12 ISA. Then you can invest up to £20,000 per tax year across all ISAs, including trading to 12. The ISA interface is simplified, so professional traders might find it limiting. Some international stocks and ETFs aren't available inside the ISA, and even if you use PICE, allocations may drift over time. You'll need to rebalance manually. So the trading to 12 ISA is a great way for UK investors to grow money tax-free with low cost and easy-to-use tools. It's perfect if you're just starting out or want a simple, long-term investing solution. Guys, if you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. And also tell us, have you opened a trading to 12 ISA yet? And what's your experience? Thanks for watching and see you soon, guys.